how to start Metanoia journey step by step. If you're ready to change, this is where it actually begins. Metanoia is not complicated, but it is intentional. Here is where you start. Step 1, awareness. You can't transform what you refuse to face. Start noticing your thoughts, your reactions, your patterns. Step 2, responsibility. Not blame, responsibility. This is where you say, my life can change and it starts with me. Step 3, renewal. Replace old thinking patterns. Feed your mind with truth, growth, and clarity. Step 4, alignment. Start living in alignment with who you are becoming, not who you used to be. This is not an overnight process. This is a journey. But if you stay committed, your life will shift. Not just externally, but internally. And that changes everything. Shift your mind, transform your life. This is Metanoia Life. Like and subscribe. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. The Lord bless you and the Lord keep you. See you in the next one.